Do you want to learn and see how I get my signature go-to eyeliner? Here's one of my secret weapons. And if maybe this eyeliner isn't your cup of tea, you might want to stick around because EIGSHOW is giving away a brush set. And baby, you don't want to miss out. This is the EIGSHOW Precise Sickle Eyeliner Brush E835. Y'all just wait until you see this brush. It is literally the most unique thing I've ever seen. Like, of course, we got to give a little influencer shot. Do y'all see the angle? And with any gel pot eyeliner, I'm just gonna barely coat the tip of that brush. Let's just get up close and personal, shall we? I personally like to start my line right where my eyelid ends, and then I just kind of draw it in. I can definitely say that this eyeliner brush is elite. It just made applying my eyeliner super easy and sharp. Where has this brush been all my life? I've literally... That's a killer wing. And now for the part I get so many questions on, how do you do your inner corner? Well, baby, this brush is really gonna actually help. So I naturally just followed the line of my eyelid and connecting it with the rest of the wing. Instead of just going straight out, I actually like to start right where this tear duct is. So once again, following my natural line and bringing it into my lash line. And that's when I honestly just connect the two and kind of make a triangle point. And even with the leftover eyeliner, I like to just kind of run it in my lash line. Okay, and here is my go-to signature, very sharp eyeliner. It has me obsessed every time.